Okay, this one is going to be really short. In the last video we had a glitch on the platform when you're jumping. In order to fix this, all we got to do is add a single line of code for the front checking. So I'm going to go into the move forward script. I'm going to go down to where the air control or the momentum is being updated. And before we move forward, we want to make sure that there's nothing in front of the character. This is the same thing that we've been doing with walking and running. If there's something in front of the character, first let me save and go back to Unity. And click play. So the yellow lines here are the ones that are checking whether there's something in front of the character. And if we're jumping, so if there's a platform in front of the character or any obstacle, the character doesn't try to move forward because you can't physically go through it. Okay. We didn't have that single line in the last video. And same thing when you're on the ground. If there's something in front of the character's not going to try to go through it. So that was a quick fix for the jitter. That'll be it for today. Thanks for watching.